In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter full screen in Microsoft Teams. If you want a cleaner, less distracting view during a call or meeting, switching to full screen is a great option. It gives you more space to focus on the conversation, shared content, or the people in the meeting, and it can be especially useful if you're presenting, following along with a screen share, or just trying to make the Teams window easier to see. To get started, make sure you're already in an active call or meeting in Microsoft Teams. This option appears while you're inside the meeting interface, so if you haven't joined yet, go ahead and join first. Once you're in the call, look toward the meeting controls for the option labeled View. Click on View to open the viewing options available for your meeting. This menu gives you access to different layout and display settings, and it's where you'll find the full screen feature. After opening the View menu, move your cursor over More Options. In some versions of Teams, additional display controls are grouped there, so hovering over it will reveal another menu with extra choices. Take your time here, especially if the menu disappears quickly when you move your mouse. A smooth pointer movement usually helps keep the menu open. Once that submenu appears, click on Full Screen. As soon as you select it, Microsoft Teams will expand to fill your display, removing the usual browser or app framing and helping you focus more completely on the meeting content. This is particularly helpful when someone is sharing a presentation, demonstrating something on screen, or when you simply want a more immersive view of the meeting. If you're on a smaller monitor or laptop, full screen can make everything feel much more readable and organized. One helpful tip is to move your mouse if the meeting controls disappear while you're in full screen mode. Teams often hides controls automatically to maximize space, but they usually reappear as soon as you interact with the screen. Also, if you ever need to leave full screen later, you can usually return to the same view area and switch it back from there. And that's all it takes. While you're in a Microsoft Teams call or meeting, click View, hover over More Options, and then select Full Screen. It's a quick setting, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and focused your meeting experience feels.